Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of homepage on ChatGPT. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then we will search about ChatGPT. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we click on storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.